Polygons in the coordinate plane. Your vocabulary. The x-axis is the horizontal number line in the coordinate system. The y-axis is the vertical number line in the coordinate system. The origin is the point located at 0, 0, the center of the coordinate grid. Points are located in reference to the x-axis and the y-axis. Ordered pairs are always named x, y. The x-coordinate tells you how far to go left or right, and the y-coordinate tells you how far to go up or down. The x-axis and the y-axis separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants. Ordered pairs can be used as vertices of polygons. To draw a polygon, plot the points and connect them. Be sure to connect the points in order. Plot the points in the coordinate plane below. Connect them in order, and then name the polygon. Point A is over 2, up 4. So we move over to the 2, up to the 4, and plot a point. Point B is over 2, up 7. Point C is over 5, up 7. And point D is over 5, up 4. This shape is plotted in quadrant 1, which is all positive numbers. Then connect the points. We have a square. Plot the points again in the coordinate plane below. Connect them in order and then name the polygon. This polygon uses all 4 quadrants. So point E is to the left to -3 and then up to 4. Point F is to the right to +3, then up to 4. Point G is to the right 6, down to -5. And point H is to the left to -6 and down to -5. Connecting the points in order, this shows us that we have a trapezoid. Continue on to the next Your Turn assignment. Show it to me when you are finished and take a picture of it to submit into Schoology.